One typical example of this type of interference is when the batter runner touches a fair batted ball when he or she is outside the batter's box. In this example, the batter bunts the ball down the first base line, then inadvertently kicks the ball while the ball is in fair territory. The umpire calls time, signals interference, and calls the batter runner out. Now watch the entire video sequence.
Time! That's interference! He's out!
With this type of offensive interference, any runners on base are returned to the base that was last legally occupied when the interference occurred. It is scored as a putout by the catcher. If a batted ball is in foul territory when the batter runner touches it unintentionally, the batter runner is not called out. However, if the umpire believes the batter runner has intentionally touched a foul ball with the intent to make it fair or to keep it foul, the batter would be called out for interference. In the next example, there is a runner at first base. The batter hits a ground ball between first and second. The runner going from first to second touches the batted ball before it passes a fielder. The umpire calls time, signals interference, and calls the runner out. Now watch the entire video sequence.
Time! That's interference, you're out.
With this type of offensive interference, the batter runner is awarded first base because of the interference of another runner and is credited with a one-base hit. Any other runners on base are returned to the base that was last legally occupied when the interference occurred. If the batted ball had passed a fielder other than the pitcher before it hit a runner, there would be no interference and the play would continue. If the ball had been touched by the pitcher before hitting the runner, there would also be no interference.